Your truck is a rolling target. To a smash-and-grab thief, that glass window is just a push-to-open button for your gear. But what if your truck was an invisible fortress? What if you could hide a full-sized arsenal in plain sight without a single person knowing it's there? Today, we are breaking down the absolute best in secret weapon storage, moving beyond basic lockboxes into high-level tactical integration. We're looking at systems that use dead space you didn't even know existed. First up is a total game changer for long gun owners, the Tailgate Hidden Rifle Storage System. Most people think of the tailgate as a heavy slab of metal and plastic, but inside is a massive hollow cavity. This system replaces the factory inner panel with a heavy-duty locking steel compartment. It is the ultimate ghost storage. Even if a thief manages to break into your cab or scan your bed, they never think to check the tailgate. It's weather-sealed, felt-lined to protect your optics, and keeps your rifle at waist height for a fast, discreet retrieval when the tailgate is dropped. It turns the most overlooked part of your truck into your primary tactical locker. Next, we have the Vulcan headrest safe. This is the definition of hidden in plain sight. From the outside, it looks like a standard factory-matching headrest, but with a specific digital code or a biometric scan, the side of the headrest snaps open to reveal a handgun vault. It's constructed from 18-gauge steel with a 2-point pull-push locking system. This is perfect for when you're in the driver's seat and need immediate access without reaching down into a glove box or console where you're vulnerable. It keeps your sidearm at eye level, completely invisible to anyone standing right outside your window. Finally, for the center of your command module, we have the Console Vault Extreme Series. This isn't just a lid, it's a full insert vault that utilizes the entire depth of your factory center console. The Extreme Edition features a triple guard locking system that resists prying and drilling better than anything else on the market. It's built with cold-rolled steel and high-security locks, yet it still allows you to use your factory USB ports and armrest. It's the final line of defense for your everyday carry, ensuring that even if someone gets inside the vehicle, they aren't getting inside your vault. Speed is the only metric that matters when seconds count, which is why the Quick Strike Rapid Deploy system is a favorite for those who prioritize immediate readiness. Mounted discreetly under the dashboard or along the side of the center console, this isn't a box, it's a mechanical release holster. It utilizes a patented trigger guard locking mechanism that keeps your handgun rock solid even over rough off-road terrain, yet releases it into your hand the moment you apply the correct physical pressure. There are no batteries to die and no codes to fumble with in the dark. It's a minimalist, high-speed solution for the driver who knows that the best safe in the world is useless if it's too slow to open. Moving to the rear of the cab, we have the Truck Vault Seatback Marshal. This is for the professional who needs to carry more than just a sidearm. It's a low-profile, heavy-duty steel locker that mounts directly to the back of the front seats. What makes the Marshal series special is its stealth utility look. When covered with a tactical seat organizer or a simple jacket, it completely disappears into the shadows of the rear footwell. It's designed to house a breakdown carbine or high-capacity magazines in a horizontal orientation, providing a secure, vibration-dampened environment that's accessible the moment you fold the seat forward or reach back from the driver's side. If you're looking to utilize the massive amount of dead space under your rear bench, the Dooha underseat lockbox is the gold standard for high-capacity organization. Unlike generic plastic bins, this is a custom-fit, heavy-duty storage unit designed specifically for your truck's make and model. It acts as both a legal gun case and a stealthy organizer. Because it matches the texture and color of your truck's interior perfectly, it looks like a factory-installed part of the floorboard. It's large enough to hold multiple long guns with optics attached, keeping them out of sight from prying eyes through the windows while keeping your cabin clutter-free and operationally ready. For those who demand total modularity, the Greyman Tactical RMP system, or rigid MOLLE panel, is the ultimate organizational backbone. This isn't just a storage bin, it's a military-grade mounting platform that attaches to your seatback or inside your console. The beauty of the RMP is its gray man philosophy. It stays low profile and blacked out, allowing you to mount rifles, med kits, and holsters in a perfectly vertical, easy-to-grab orientation. When combined with their locking rifle racks, your long gun stays anchored and silent even during high-speed maneuvers, but is instantly accessible the moment you reach behind the passenger seat. Innovation sometimes comes in the form of pure physics, which brings us to the Hornady Rapid Inflatable Bladder Safe. Drilling into a brand new truck's interior is a deal-breaker for many, and this is the high-tech solution. It uses a heavy-duty inflatable bladder to wedge the steel safe into the gap between your seat and the center console. Once inflated, it is rock solid and impossible to remove without deflating it from the inside. It features Hornady's signature RFID technology, meaning you can open the safe instantly by simply waving an RFID-equipped watch band, phone decal, or key fob over the sensor. No codes, no keys, just instant touchless deployment. If you want the maximum level of physical security possible in a cabin, the Boss Strongbox underseat drawer is the heavy hitter of the group. While other underseat options use high-density polymers, the Boss is constructed from 16-gauge cold-rolled steel. This is essentially a floor-mounted vault. It features a high-security Medico-style lock and a heavy-duty drawer slide that can handle the weight of multiple rifles and fully loaded magazines without sagging. It's designed for those who might leave their vehicle unattended in high-risk areas for extended periods. It doesn't just hide your weapons, it makes it a mechanical nightmare for anyone trying to relocate them. Precision engineering meets brute force with the Tuffy Security Rear Underseat Lockbox. If you drive a crew cab, you have a massive storage footprint that is usually wasted. Tuffy specializes in turning that void into a fortress. This lockbox is manufactured from 16-gauge steel and features their patented pry-guard locking system, which utilizes a 10-tumbler double-bitted security key. What sets this apart from the competition is the mounting hardware. It bolts directly to the existing factory holes in your floorboard, making it an integrated part of the truck's chassis. It's the ideal vault for those who need to secure multiple long guns while maintaining a clean, nothing-to-see-here interior profile. For the driver who needs their sidearm reachable in less than a second, the magnetic dashboard handgun mount is the ultimate low-profile solution. This isn't just a magnet, it's a high-grade neodymium puck with a rubberized coating to prevent finish wear. The strategy here isn't to hide the gun in a box, but to hide it in the shadow of your dashboard or knee bolster. By mounting this on the underside of the dash, your firearm is invisible to anyone looking through the window, yet it sits right at your fingertips. It holds up to 50 pounds of force, meaning your weapon stays indexed and ready even if you're hammering over washboard dirt roads or involved in a collision. Taking accessibility a step further is the steering column hidden handgun holster. This is a specialized mount that utilizes the gap between your steering column and the lower dash trim. It places the grip of your pistol exactly where your hand naturally rests when driving. Because of the angle and the overhang of the steering wheel, the weapon is completely shielded from the view of a passenger or anyone standing at the driver's side door. It's a surgical placement for high-threat environments where you cannot afford to reach across your body or look away from the road. It provides a natural, intuitive draw stroke that is faster than any console-based system on the market. The most effective hiding spots are the ones that exploit the psychology of the search. Thieves almost always look down at the floorboards, under the seats, and inside consoles. The roof headliner hidden shotgun mount exploits the one area they never check, the ceiling. This system uses a low-profile motorized or manual rack that sits flush against the roof's interior. In many setups, it is concealed by a secondary fabric layer or a tactical mesh that blends perfectly with the factory headliner. It keeps a full-sized shotgun or rifle high and out of the line of sight from anyone peering through the windows, while allowing you to reach up and deploy the weapon in a single fluid motion. It's the ultimate high ground advantage for your cabin. Moving to the exterior of the truck, we find the most ingenious diversion storage on the market, the hidden spare tire gun storage case. The center of your spare tire, tucked up under the truck bed, is a massive circle of wasted space. This invention is a circular, waterproof, and impact-resistant vault that bolts directly into the spare tire's mounting winch. It is completely invisible from the rear or the side of the vehicle. This is your deep cover solution, perfect for storing a backup survival rifle or emergency supplies that you don't need every day but must have in a worst-case scenario. To a thief, it's just a dirty spare tire. To you, it's a secure, weather-sealed tactical cache. Building an invisible fortress isn't about having the most gear. It's about having the right gear in the spots no one thinks to look. From the hollow cavity of your tailgate to the dead space above your head, these 15 systems ensure that you stay prepared without becoming a target. If you're serious about your vehicle's security and tactical readiness, check the links in the description to see which of these vaults fits your specific truck model. If you found these storage solutions valuable, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into professional-grade tactical gear and vehicle modifications. Which of these hidden spots was the most surprising to you? Drop a comment below and let's talk shop. Stay safe, stay prepared, and we'll see you in the next one.